Today's episode is called Healing Affirmations. It's a request from those who are looking for physical healing, and not even because there's a pressing physical ailment, although this episode does work for that. A lot of you are experiencing healing that's coming together in mind, body, and spirit, and there's parts of your body, your nervous system, that are resisting the healing. You want messages for your body to know it is safe to heal now. Here's Healing Affirmations. I'm safe here. I can relax here. I welcome the healing. I take slow, deep breaths. I feel the natural rhythm and the natural flow of my breathing. All the parts of my body are protecting me and empowering me. I'm healing from the inside out. I connect with my body as I heal. I welcome even more healing right now. I am caring for the needs of my body. My body loves to heal itself. My body welcomes the sources of healing. And now, an even deeper healing is happening. I am courageous with the healing process. I am confident with the healing process. I am comfortable with the healing process. My body is restoring itself. My body is repairing itself. My body is healing itself. I choose healing. I choose healing from head to toe. I choose healing for my mind, body, and spirit. I am healing. I love healing. I love how I'm healing more than I thought I could. I am alive in mind, body, and spirit. My body is full of vitality. My body is full of love. My body is full of health. I am grateful for the healing inside my body. I am strong, vibrant, and resilient. I am worthy of this healing. I am worthy of health. I am worthy of a restored body. My body is warm and comfortable. My body is relaxed. My body is healing. I am healing from head to toe. I love and appreciate the healing that is here. I am healing. I am totally and completely healing. I am grateful for this body that I live in all day, every day. I now speak words of peace to my body. I now speak words of gratitude to my body. I now speak words of love to my body. I'm humbled by all my body does for me. Thank you, immune system, for making my body a safe place to live. Thank you for providing immunity from head to toe. My immune system is full of strength, wisdom, and power. My immune system cleanses, defends, and protects me. I am taking action to maintain a strong immune system. I love that I can experience a strong, healthy body. I listen to my body's needs and I practice physical, mental, and spiritual health. My immune system is strong. I feel how strong my body is. My body grows stronger every day. I release anything hindering my immune system. I identify as a person with a strong, healthy body. I identify as a person with a strong immune system. I identify as a person with a strong, restorative body. My body is able to nourish and flourish. I live in a strong, healthy body. I have a strong and effective immune system. I live in a strong, restorative body. I live in clarity. I live in a clean body. I live with healthy cells. All my cells produce health. My body regenerates beautifully. I have powerful and strong antibodies. I am worthy and deserving of a strong, healthy body. I am worthy and deserving of a strong immune system. I am worthy and deserving of feeling healthy and strong. My immune system is here to cleanse, defend, and protect me. I am embracing my strong and healthy immune system. I am enjoying my strong and healthy immune system. I am living in my strong and healthy immune system.